Welcome. We're talking about how to make your career AI-proof and secure your future in the changing job market. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the workplace, bringing both challenges and incredible opportunities. I want you to seriously consider this. Is your current job role truly safe from automation? Studies suggest that by the end of this year, AI is projected to handle up to 60% of technical tasks. If that news worries you, that's a good thing, because it means you're paying attention. Now let's talk about a common mistake people are making right now, the automation trap. Many experts are incorrectly advising you to double down on learning basic coding or simple AI prompting. However, these foundational technical skills are exactly what AI is automating away the fastest. Trying to compete in this space is a losing game. So what is the right approach? Let's talk about your secret weapon. By 2026, the most valuable currency in the professional world won't be tech, but something far more powerful, being uniquely human. I am referring to human-centric skills. These are the qualities and capabilities that a robot simply cannot feel, and an algorithm cannot replicate. It's time to shift your focus entirely. We're talking about empathy, high-level strategic thinking, business ethics, and deep human connection. These are your true differentiators. The game is no longer about trying to compete with the machine on its own terms. To thrive in this new era, you need to understand where your real value lies. Instead, start doubling down aggressively on what makes you fundamentally unique and irreplaceable. I've mapped out the full list of these unfireable skills in my latest video. Click the link in the description to check it out now, before the robots catch up.